It is 9 a.m. I'm on the way to the city because someone is coming from Zurich that I will show Basel, and I will show it to you as well. So let's go. Look at the blue sky. Finally, it's beautiful weather. We were so happy. And our first stop was the Dangelip fountain, one of the must-sees in Basel. And of course, go to the Münster with the beautiful view over Basel in the back. Hello! So we are enjoying a day in Basel together, exploring the city.
And the weather is nice.
Yes, finally.
We're feeling ourselves.
And while in Basel, you cannot miss a ferry ride. It crosses the Rhine from one side to the other, and even as a local, this is fun.
The contrast is amazing.
Taking selfies. Basel is the cultural capital city of Switzerland, by the way. And look, we went on that boat. You will see it right in a second. And yeah, we had some drinks there and just enjoyed sitting, talking, and just being in the moment. And because of the high water,